Assalamualaikum and a very good day. I am Ahmad Syami, and as a representative from Group 7 of English Technical Purposes, Section 42, and today I am going to present about our proposal for research title, which is Student Time Management. It is important for students in the higher education to possess good time management skills in order to balance between academic and non-academic life. However, there are some students who may not possess good time management skills. This may lead to negative effects of their academics and also increase stress in their life as they need to cope with their tasks and their personal achievements. There are a few things that we highlight in our problem statement. The first and the foremost is time management. Students tend to get under pressure in order to maintain their performance in studies, which demands them to keep track of several things related to their courses. The second thing to keep in mind is the fast pace of evolution of gadgets, which can tempt students and lure them away from their responsibilities. With the advancement of gadgets, social and entertainment is at the edge of everyone's fingertips. These problems may lead to students failing to prepare for new semesters, which can lead to the declination of their performance throughout the semester. The affected students' reputation and health can also be negatively affected. Next, from these problems, we are able to come out with 6 research questions. What are the main problems that distract the affected student from doing their assignment? Second is who influence the student to do unimportant things at critical time. Third is how the gadgets affect the student performance. The fourth one is time management has something to do with mental health? The fifth question is what are the effective ways to manage busy schedule? One is how can unplanned schedule causing stress to students? The aim of the study is to evaluate the time management of university students based on their schedule, daily life needs, health factor, and today's evolution of gadgets. From there, we were able to specify the objectives for this study, which are to identify the causes of ineffective time management among university students, to investigate what causes the schedule of university students to be insanely busy that can contribute to stress and health problems. And the last one is we need to identify the negative impacts from the evolution of gadgets upon students' time management. The next part is the significance of the study. The first significance is to study the whole semester, which can give us the outline of what the students are handling in every semester. The second significance is today's specialists, pioneers, and consultants needed to assume responsibility for the time. From there, we need to follow the daily agenda and need to set a period table for each movement. The third significance is during the crucial time for every semesters, which are during tests. Understudies need to finish the endeavoured question paper, as this is a good time to properly evaluate the time management skills in students. The limitation of study is also considered in this research paper. We were able to identify 3 limitations of studies. The first one is obstructions. We need to identify what causes them to stop doing what they should do instead of doing it straight away. The second limitation is latency, which oversees time to improve life. Yet, at times, the fixation of doing things right causes your life to stagnate. The third limitation is weakness and stresses are a piece of life. This is important as not everybody have the same problem and not everybody have the same capacity of handling stresses. Next, we are able to come up with methods that can be used to gather the data needed, which can help us identify what are the problems that can cause bad time managing skills in higher education students. 2 sets of questions will be distributed in Google Form among students in UTHM in various faculties. The first set of questions is the common problems such as usage of smartphone, social activities, and circle of friends. The second set of questions is more specific to different faculties. This determines the amount of workload that students have to burden in the university.